In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack with Monday.com. We'll walk through the process step by step, so by the end, you'll have Slack and Monday.com talking to each other automatically. This is really useful if you want your team to get instant updates in Slack whenever something important happens in your Monday boards. Start by opening the Monday.com board where you want to set up the integration. At the top of the board, look for the Automate option in the menu bar. Go ahead and click on Automate. This is where Monday.com keeps all of its automation and integration recipes that help you connect different tools without any coding. Once you're in the Automate section, you'll see a panel or window with different options. There should be a search bar or a field where you can type. Click into that search box and type in Slack. This filters the automation recipes so you only see those related to Slack. If you don't see anything at first, just double check your spelling and make sure you're in the right board. After you type Slack, you'll see a list of Slack-related templates or recipes. These are pre-built automations that describe what will happen and when. For example, you might see something like, when a status changes to done, notify a channel in Slack. Or, when a new item is created, send a message to Slack. Take a moment to read through the available options and choose the one that best fits the workflow you have in mind. Then click on the template you want to use. Once you select a template, Monday.com will guide you with on-screen prompts. These prompts might ask you to connect your Slack account if you haven't already. In that case, you'll be asked to authorize Monday.com to access Slack, so just follow the authorization steps that appear. After connecting, you'll usually be asked to choose things like the specific Slack workspace, the channel where messages should go, and any details that should be included in the messages, such as item name, status, or owner. Carefully review each field in the prompt to make sure it reflects your workflow. When you're happy with the settings, confirm or save the automation. From that point on, whenever the trigger you selected happens in Monday.com, your Slack channel will receive an automatic update, keeping your team informed in real time without any extra manual work.